Hey guys, I welcome you to my channel. I am Juhi of Blooming Bee. So today in this video I am going to show you that how I try to grow some vegetables which are very easy to grow, and you don't have to invest any amount for that, and the thing that you need to grow these vegetables are also present in your kitchens. During this time when we are not able to go anywhere and purchase new plants, I try to grow these vegetables. The thing I try to grow are very easy to grow. I try to grow chilies, tomatoes, pumpkin, bitter gourd. These vegetables have been eaten by us in regular basis, and the germination of by these seeds are also very easy to do. So I'm going to walk you through step by step that how I grow these plants. So covering step by step about each and every vegetable in one video could be a very longer one. So in this video I'm going to only cover about green chilies. The thing about green chilies is that we use green chilies in everything that we have in our lunch or food. And the best thing about them is you don't have to buy the seedlings or the plant. So let's begin. The things you need to start this germination process is what kind of container you should use. You can use any kind of container to grow the seedlings. Right now I am running out of the terracotta pot, that's why I try to grow my seedlings in the plastic container which is used to deliver the food. But if you have terracotta pot, you can use them. I try to recycle this container. I just prick the bottom part of the container and I use most of all the containers that I can get from my home, because I don't want to waste those container, because in that container you can grow any kind of plant you want, but the most important thing that the water should be passed through the pot. The next important thing is what kind of soil you should use to grow the seedlings. You can also vary that. I use 70% of garden soil, 20% is coco peat, and 10% is river sand or normal sand. You can also increase the amount of coco peat, but never increase the amount of garden soil, because garden soil is kind of dense, so the seed germination could be a less slower. You can also grow the seedlings totally in coco peat, because coco peat has the tendency to hold some kind of moisture, and seed germination need a kind of moist area. So now you have the pot, also the soil mixture you are going to use for the seed germination, and now it's time to collect the seeds. You can collect the seeds from the green chilies you have in your fridge or in your home which have turned red or ripe. Just simply take the peel off and remove the seeds from the chilies and let the chilies dry out for at least 24 hours. But if you are running out of green chilies right now which have turned red or ripe, then you can also use dried red chilies which are used in our kitchens. The process will be same, just cut the red chilies and use the seedlings for your seed germination. Now you have collected the seed. Now the process. You have the pot in which you have the soil mixture. Just simply take the seedlings and sprinkle them over the soil mixture and cover them with a thin layer of the same soil mixture and water them immediately. The most important thing about seed germination is what kind of temperature your seedling needs. Now your seedling needs a warmer condition or warmer temperature to grow into full plant. So keep your seedlings in a place where your seedling will get bright but indirect sunlight, and the temperature should be more warmer than usual. Water your seedlings daily. The watering should be depend on the level that your soil mixture is getting dried out, don't let the soil to dry out totally, because that will also dry the seedlings. So keep the moisture level up. The germination process or the germination duration will could vary person to person. It's depend on the seedlings you are using or the temperature you have your seedlings in. So in my case, what I have observed that after 3 to 4 days the seedlings have just sprouted and the first two leaves have just appeared. They are not true leaves, they are just dicots. So after the two leaves have appeared, you can keep the seedlings in a place where now this plant will have direct sunlight, because now these seedlings needs direct sunlight to get the maximum growth. The two leaves are just dicots, they are not true plant or true leaves. So don't rush to change the pot immediately. Let the true leaves appear. In my germination process, I have seen that the true leaves have appeared after 1 week, and after 3 to more leaves have appeared in the same seedlings. Then I remove the matured plant and keep them in a different container. Now the plant have grown the true leaves. Now this plant needs bright and direct sunlight, and you should always keep the level of water up and keep the moisture in the roots of this plant, because now this plant will grow very rapidly, so they will need lot of sunlight and lots of watering. I have always seen my father to grow different kind of vegetable in our home. I have also a video where you can see that in winter time, I think in December 2019, he also grew cauliflower, cabbage and different kind of vegetables. The video link is in the I icon and also in the description box. You can also check that video out. But this is my first attempt to grow vegetable in a very limited resources that I have, and I am succeeded in that. So in this situation when we can't go anywhere, so this is a very good activity to do in your home with the limited resources. And believe me that the small seedlings or the small seed germination will give you plenty of peace and happiness. So try to grow the seedlings. Let me know that how you are starting the process, and if you have any kind of query, then please comment down below in the comment section. If you like my attempt of growing vegetables from your home, and if you like my content, please give this video a like, share this video with your plant friends. Also subscribe to my channel to know more about houseplant and how I grow my different vegetables with very simple and easy process. So stay tuned to my channel to know more. Love you guys. Bye.